Bienvenuto a Cucinare con Fiona. Welcome to Cooking with Fiona. Today, we are going to be making a very delicious recipe, salsa. So, this is our July recipe, and it's called salsa, as I said. And it's actually a very easy recipe. It's 28 ounces of tomatoes that I'm going to put in the blender, and 14 and a half ounces of fire roasted tomatoes. And there we go. 4 cloves of garlic, freshly minced. Make believe these are freshly minced. And 1 jalapeno. If you like it hot, you can put more seeds in it. And if you don't like it hot, don't put the seeds in it. So it's 1 tablespoon of honey. And that just cuts the heat if necessary. And a half a teaspoon of cumin. And there's that teaspoon. Here we go. That's a half teaspoon. And 3/4 of a cup of cilantro. So we're going to turn this lovely machine on, and we're going to make our salsa. We've got the lime juice. And that's 1.5 tablespoons of lime, freshly squeezed lime juice, and a little pinch of salt just to start. And it's actually a total of a teaspoon of salt. Depends upon what you want to do, how salty you want it. On it goes.
A few minutes later.
There we go. Voila. So this is our summer salsa. So as you see, it's a really easy recipe to make. So we're going to taste that later on. So you know I'm a real estate agent, and you know I have a passion for selling real estate along with cooking. So today I'm going to talk to you about a very exclusive tool that we have at Coldwell Banker. It's called a seller service guarantee. And we follow this whole process from the beginning to the end. We supply a competitive market analysis for sellers. We supply a marketing plan. We give them estimates of the net proceeds, how to enhance their home, how do we introduce it to our team, to all other agents, and promotion to all the other brokers. And we produce a marketing and advertising program. And we get back to you on a monthly basis with all the responses. So on that note, we're going to have a little taste of the salsa. So the salsa recipe, which is a July recipe in my calendar, I'm going to say that it's a Mexican salsa. So I don't have a Mexican sombrero in the Hatfield house, but what I have is almost a sombrero. And what we're going to do is we're going to wear this sombrero, make believe, and we're going to have a taste of our salsa. And I will tell you exactly how this tastes. Delicious. It is really good. So if you want my recipes, call me, 534-9932. I do have some calendars left. Or text me on 534-9932, or my email, fhatfield@brcl.bm. Try this recipe. I'm telling you, this is really delicious.
Please call Fiona Hatfield on 534-9932 or email at fhatfield@brcl.bm.